There it is. Going online. Uh-oh. Display settings. Please. Here we go. Bring this display back up onto this table. Okay. Good. And then chat. Pop out chat. Been waiting. I stayed up late last night watching stupid videos. It was like these, I think it was a game called Pokemon Showdown, and the guy was hilarious. Oh, I didn't edit the stream info on Twitch, that's sad. Ladder. Studio. Hello, studio. Go. Channel. There it is. So no one showed up to Twitch because my notification was ladder jumps? No, just ladders. The new physics doesn't have ladders implemented whatsoever. Alright, let's go. Oh. Why is that not displaying? Okay. Wait, advanced settings. Bro, show me advanced settings. X server. It's not very advanced. Okay. Well, there it is. Okay. Okay, I got the chat over there. Twitch chat. Pop out chat. Ah! Move! There we go. Alright. Set up. And then Sublime text. Open. Yes. Okay. What did I just say I was gonna do? Ladders. Okay, so how does one Quaternion man make ladders? Okay, what happens if you're underwater and you climb on a ladder? Probably you just go up the ladder, right? I think that makes sense. So ladder takes precedence over water. Let's okay, so this is where walking happens. That's in the pre-tick, walking. I'm walking here. Right here, you can see it. It's trash code, and I should feel bad about it, but whatever. Please don't use this walk code as final. Alright, let's explain or list modes that can happen. Let's see. Okay, I got stuff. I got a muffin. Long jumps? Long jumps kind of need crouching, right? They're kind of boring without crouching. What the hell? Mouse is already dirty. It's a new mouse. Think. What was I? Yes, okay, so, movement modes. Alright, we got walking. Air, flying. We got ladder. We got water. Okay, what's in here? This is the old movement script. Alright, we have water. Ladder. This is ladder, I think. What's going on here? I don't know. Well, there we go. So is that it? That's this. There's walking, air, ladder, water. Okay. What if there's everything together? So you're standing on a ladder in the water. Ladder movement, it should be very similar to walking. I could. Maybe I should make walking just immediate, where you immediately reach your control direction. That would be like the tightest controls possible, because like you don't need to dodge bad. Oh no, but death run. You do need to dodge bad guys, or traps at least. That would be insane. Imagine like you're watching a guy, you're trying to activate a trap, and they walk up to the trap, and then they immediately move backwards. They're not like, oh, they're like, wrong mic on. Ah! You're right. There we go. Hello, hello, hello. Every single time, OBS chooses the wrong device. By default. It's so annoying. Quiet now. What do you mean, quiet now? You mean like working? Look at how... Ooh. Walking and climbing ladders. It's the same code for walking and climbing ladders. I just changed the... I changed the control direction. Oh my god. Alright. Change default mic. It is the default microphone. It's default, but it just doesn't work. So... how should ladders work? Alright, let's say that there's a ladder on the wall, and you're like flying towards it. You're going, and you hit the ladder. What happens? Do you go like, whoop? Or do you go like, dink, and you stick to it like glue? I'm thinking that it immediately destroys your velocity, and then you enter whatever ladder state. Twitch turned down. Ah, it wasn't me. Okay. Alright. So, standing collision is, are you standing on something? Does that matter if you're in the water? Okay, so in the new physics, if you are underwater but on the bottom of whatever water, should you walk differently, walk the same as out of water, or swim only? And it's just whatever swimming mechanics I have. Ladder is just walking, but up. PC specs? They asked for my PC specs. I guess I have to tell them. Let me just open my command line terminal. Neo fetch. Alright. Let's see here. So my operating system here is Arch Linux. My monitors are two 4K monitors. You can only see two of them, and I got the YouTube and Twitch chats on a 1080p monitor. And I've got another monitor that's not plugged into this graphics card. That's 1440p, 165 hertz. My CPU is 5950X. My gaming GPU is a 1080 Ti. My secondary GPU is an RTX 3060. And I have 64 gigabytes of RAM. 3090 definitely. I haven't been able to get one. I want a 3080 Ti, but you just can't buy it. It just doesn't exist. PC specs, yeah. No, I don't have any bots for my chat. I tried to sign up for the Twitch affiliate program today, but they're like, "Oh, your tax information doesn't match your something information," and so I was like, "Whatever. I don't really want it anyways." All right, like I don't want it that bad. Someone's gonna subscribe, and that'll be fun, but. You would need to add pre-strafe. What do you mean add pre-strafe? Ladder pre-strafe? How come Linux? Because I like to learn about computers. Computers are cool, and you don't learn as much by using Windows. You have far fewer problems to solve. And I have solved many problems. I have encountered and solved many problems by using Linux. It's because I enjoy the setup process. Excuse me, and this computer took a long time to set up. Like 2 entire days of just setting things up. Linux is definitely not for everyone. 10 series and a 30 series. I just haven't upgraded because I can't buy it. It's not available. Can't. I want 3080 Ti, but it just doesn't exist. They're not available. I'm going to look now. 3080 Ti. Buy now. Buy. $4,000. Goodbye. What games do you play? What do you mean, what games do you play? Are you gay? Ladder in CSGO is twice as fast. That's not true. It's square root of 2 times as fast. Sadly, you're wrong. Don't forget the XFCE desktop environment. I mean, saying I use Linux is enough. No one really knows what a desktop environment is. If you hold those on the ladder, the speed changes. Did you know that that happens in Roblox bhop too? I recreated that bug in Roblox bhop. Okay, so we should detect all the forms of movement. What's the highest priority form of movement? Ladder? Priority 1. Water, priority 2. Walking, priority 3. Air, priority 4. Does that make sense? Let's see. Okay, let's move, walk. Physics. Wow. Okay, calculate control direction. What does it use? It uses the game mechanics and game controls. So I can just do that. Okay, move, walk. Move. This is okay. Target time. Do I have that? Do I calculate DT and use it? Yes, I do use DT here. Okay, move, walk, DT, I guess. Bug. Not bug, it's a feature. That's kind of bhop in a nutshell. Just have a scripter bot bhop for you. Yeah, dude. Just just don't play the game. That's way better. Oh, maybe I'll rewrite the walking today too. Why does my voice sound phlegmy? Move air. Do I want separate functions like this? I don't know. I don't know much about this game, but what about crawling? Crawling is not necessary for B-Hop. It doesn't make sense. Sliding would be fun. I'm playing a lot of Apex Legends, so I like slide down hills and stuff, slide around everywhere. But you kind of already do that on Surf, so. Change the friction coefficient. Task bots will just dominate world record runs. No one's really made it yet. Everyone is cheating outside the confines of the physics, what's possible within the physics. Prone B-hopping. Track distance. So these are the 4 move types. Air, water, ladder, walk. Kind of missing some sugar. If you use Ligma, you go faster. Who's Steve Jobs? Move ladder. Okay, well, so this look at how big this new walking code is, and look at how small the old walking code is. They're like, oh, walking, climbing ladders. Target velocity equals controller times walk. Can you make one B-Hop map with all the maps ever made combined? I mean, you can do that if you want. You can load them all into Roblox Studio and put them end to end and rename all the spawns and triggers and stuff. You probably want to script that. Actually, you could just write a script to do it automatically. You'd probably want to use teleports. But yeah, I'm sure no one would play that map if you did that, because it would be like a week of just doing stuff. Oh, you know what I would need, and what I have imagined in the past is, what if when you leave the game, it saves your position in the map, and then when you join back to that specific map, it reloads your run and continues where you left off. There are single maps that take 30 minutes to complete in Behop and Surf. 5 hours? I expect it would be more like 4 or 5 days, like a week. Trash code. Oh! Calculate control direction. Okay, so control direction is for walking and for air movement. Oh, take velocity, you say? Oh, you take the velocity. My save features are just text files with XY coordinates. I mean, most people don't even know how to program, so. Imagine you log on, press play, and you're moving at 1,000 miles per hour. Why would you leave in the middle of that? Like, you just stand on a spawn and leave, and it would just be like something nice for new players and for extremely long maps. I think I would disable world records with that. So it wouldn't like save your bot, and unless I make like personal bots and stuff, and the whole system is like wee. I don't even have bots right now. I need to rewrite bots. Should be pretty easy though. Muffin. Muffin. Okay. So I don't do normal force for this. You can just walk up a slope as if it's... Ladder. Correct. How do you enable free cam? Do you mean in the dev game? There is no free cam. It's doesn't exist. Surfing? Surf! You're surfing now? Now you are surfing. Constraining the acceleration. That's... Compute surface-oriented control direction. Huh? Oh. Constrain vector. Constrain the acceleration vector. I am going to accelerate. Oh. I, like, no doubt need to rewrite this. Okay. This is... Contact, constraint, acceleration. This is surfing right here. Oh, yeah. We got that gravity. And then also accelerators right there. Accelerator. And then it's like this. Wait a minute. Roblox default camera setting. What are you guys saying? What? Okay, how do I do this? I need to read through the contacts. Can you send me your contact information? Please don't. Contacts. Next, I guess. I just like next. For, part collision and next self physics.contacts do if part dot name equals accelerator, then how do I do it in the old physics here? All I do is gravity okay, and then I go through the touching, and then I check to see if it's an accelerator, and then I do mega math zone, and then that's all, folks. Yes. Is there gonna be step ladders? What are you doing, step ladder? No. Do you mean like ladders with rungs? You're just gonna have a part that is ladder. Oh. Hide HUD feature? Literally GUI's off, my guy. A equals A plus part dot velocity plus cross. Position. Okay, rot part dot rot velocity. Step ladders that get stuck in washing machine. That makes zero sense without context. Part dot position. Physics dot position minus part dot position. All right, there we go. Now we can get cracking. All right, let's control F dot velocity and copy this line. All right, so Yahoo! What's this? Standing collision dot part dot velocity. Yeah. Are you like stupid or something? Wait a second. Could I just always make it? Foot point. Contact point if I make it a pencil shape, but it's not actually a pencil shape because you can't tell. Edge bug? I will not make edge bug. Keep away from edge bug. But like, one of the main reasons I'm making this is to not have that. Get out of here. Okay, we gotta check to see if it's inside The accelerator. Acceleration. Okay. How do I check this? It's like point in part, but like using minimum difference, eh? Yes. Do we have that info? It's just point in part. Should I have like crazy stuff, or should I just like use the existing code? You know what? Calculate point in part later. We'll do it later. Okay. There we go. Now we have accelerators. Nice dream. Did it crash or something? No, it's still running. It does that. What? What the hell? There was a chunk of something. Yeah. Yeah. I'm guessing that's like some built up coffee sludge that was like in a faucet thing. Oof. Give me the old printf. Wrong language. Language? V0. What do you mean V0? Jump. Oof. Bow, 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 bow. Why am I doing this with local variables? Yeah, don't use local variables. Wow. Alright, we're just gonna not use local variables. Stop. Don't. Stop. Alright, set. Wait. Physics. Set velocity. Boom. And then P0, V0 equal phys dot position. Yes. Good. Great. Done. Did it. Boom. I'm watching both streams. You got the low latency 1080p, and then you got the high latency 4K. The choice is yours. Okay. What's this? This is just adding it on. Okay. But I need the A aligned so I can compute the normal force. What's the normal force? Ugh. Okay. So I am going to just delete this code. Goodbye. Except for, okay, normal acceleration. Do I need that for water? No. Do I need that for ladders? Oh. No. 1080p is better. I prefer low latency as well. It's just the latency is so high on YouTube. You just can't interact with me in real time. Okay. I only need the normal force for walking. Bum. Bum, bum. Okay, so if you're standing, that means you're walking, right? Let's see. You know what? I could do both. I could do. I could calculate the buoyancy force from the water. Yes, yes, I could. Calc. Add buoyant. How do you spell buoyancy? Boy. Alright, I gotta search it up. Buoyancy. Oh, I literally spelled it correctly. So you technically walk at the bottom of water, but you get the swimming acceleration additionally. Water. Okay, water. Else if part dot name equals water. What's the water? Like Scoob. Wait, this is oh yeah, okay. Part dot velocity is the acceleration value. Buoyancy. Handsome. Game mechanics. Definitely game mechanics. Gay mechanics. Buoyancy. Is that really how you spell it? It looks so stupid. Buoyancy. Buoy. Okay. Okay, how did I do it before? Water. Density. Gravity acceleration. Drag factor. Holy. This water was so good. Drag factor. You're gonna make me use a drag factor. Where's the buoyancy? I think it's right here. Density over human density. So it's water density over human density times gravity acceleration. So it opposes gravity. Yes. Wow. Okay. Can't stack. Okay, water acceleration is different. Buoyancy. What if there's more than one water part? Accelerator. Water. Whoa. Physics part. It doesn't. Okay, how do I make it like? Because I want to touch. Okay, so you don't correct when it's not a physics part, but you still put it in the contacts. Okay, is physics part. Non-physics parts equals water equals true. Accelerator equals true. Or non-physics parts part dot name. Cool. Okay, done. So now it won't make it suck. It's so nice that I have like functions that do things instead of like monolithic code blocks. So I just edit the function, and everywhere I use that function, the functionality has changed. Functionality. Function. Who would have guessed? So I'm having trouble here because what if you're in multiple waters at once? I guess you just like become super buoyant and it doesn't make sense, but who cares? Basically. Yeah, no, I have to do it afterwards, sadly. How many waters you got? Maybe I should just do number of waters. Oh, local water density equals 0. And then I can just that would actually work. So calculate the water density. Maury! Density. Custom physical properties dot density. Water has a density of 1. Unibrow. Correct! That is on my face. Part dot density water density plus density. Okay, so now it accumulates the water density, and then I can use that to make a buoyancy force with this. A equals A plus uh 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 minus water density over human density times A. So A times 1 minus that. So you go up instead of down. That's crazy. You don't sink in water. Is that good? Oh, but you can make it like less dense. You can be like, oh, this is like, I don't know. What's a liquid less dense than water? Liquid less dense than water. Ice is less dense than water. That's not a liquid. Amazing 9-layer density tower. Vegetable oil, lighter liquids. Okay, there's something. Oil. You can swim in oil. You sink right down. Oh yeah, and then the normal force would be 0. You have 0. Wait a second. Can I just do that? No! Hold on. Okay, what if you're pressed against the wall somehow? Like, what if the wall is going like... What if you're like accelerating with the wall and you're like touching your control keys? Should you be able to like... wall run or something? Accelerating wall. Do I use the normal force? I don't know. Oil. How do you like oil? Oh, gosh. Okay, so this is buoyancy. Water density over human density. I can just do physics.density. Physics.density. Yeah, boy. And then the water has a special drag coefficient. That'll be used later. I can also track that, I guess. Local water drag 0. Boom. Oi. Pot. You tear me apart. Water density. Water drag. Okay, we have drag, we have density. Cool. And they're separate. Oh, muffin. You're clumsy. Think. I set out to make ladders, and I started making water. Um. Is it okay to walk down if you're looking straight down? You didn't know Quaternions was a grown-ass man? Have you ever seen a grown man cry? Do you wanna? Clipped. I should probably call it a clipped instead of aligned. A clip. All right, normal acceleration. Friction. Friction only applies if you're standing on something. If the normal acceleration, test if normal acceleration it aligns with each part normal. Watch each. Could I just edit the get standing collision? Are you standing sideways? Get standing. Minimum slope. Okay, the slope is relative to gravity. Gosh, I'm really thinking complicated with this one. Best dot, I guess. And you have to start from 0, that makes sense. Should you jump perpendicular to the normal vector? I'm thinking about a lot of stuff right now. So if you're on a slanted slope and you jump, should you jump like sideways towards the slope direction? Oh, yes. Yes. Wow. So this is using up, but I could use the normal vector. That would make slanted platforms more powerful, though. I'm confusing myself. Mm. Hmm. Doing lots of thinking. So there's calculate control direction, and there's like calculate world space control direction. I should probably bring some of these functions down. Oh yeah, I was also gonna make wormholes. Okay, zones, runtime, and they should probably go above this so that it's all together. Part top. I use part top, and that's it. Yeah. All right, where's my old one? Propulsion direction. Oh, there it is. Pitch. Yeah. Chat dead. Yeah, stream died. Chat died. Everything dead. I just started focusing and thinking about how about a walk speed jet ski? Denser water equals more propulsion. I was thinking different now. I was thinking that it would act as if you're swimming at a constant speed, and that would change your relative propulsion, your relative velocity with the water. So you would have a absolute swim speed, and then it would merge your swim speed with the water using the water's flow. So you'd instantly be swimming fast. I wonder how that would work. Oh. Oh, it assumes they... Wait, that one... Ah. Okay. Whew! You know what should work though is cool beans. That's what should work. Accelerators. I'm gonna go test those. Oops, I didn't really mean to make accelerators before I made ladders. But it's just so easy. Testing moment. Indeed, sir. All right, now we gotta watch for the OBS crash. That's gonna happen in 5 seconds. Dev. Surf. And number in nil 326. Of course. Human music. Jump time. Huh. Jump. Wow. Okay. I now need to get up there so I can test the accelerators. Easy. Oof. Okay. Oh! Attempt to call a nil value 311. Cross. My bad. Cross. Oh, imagine not having localized cross product.